Hi, welcome to this ebook video link for chicken korma. So we're going to make chicken korma. So we've got our pan, we've got 1 chef spoon of seasoned oil. Put that on the stove, just warm it slightly. Now, as most of you already know, chicken korma is not a curry that uses a lot of spice in there, but we do like to add some flavour. So what I do is I put in a piece of cinnamon and a couple of cloves, and we'll remove these before we serve it. But that just seasons the oil a little bit further and just adds that nice sort of a cinnamony flavour, and also the cloves as well. So just allow that just to cook in there for just a minute. Okay, now we go straight in with both ladles of base gravy. We do not reduce the first ladle with chicken korma. Straight in with the 2 ladles onto the stove. Get the heat up there. Now what we've got in our little container here is we've got 1 heaped chef spoon of coconut flour, half a chef spoonful of ground almonds, and about 6 green sultanas. We'll just put them in there like that. And then just give it a little bit of a mix so we don't get any clumps forming. It will dissolve nicely. And you want to bring that to a boil. Boiling, we're going to put in our pre-cooked chicken. Now, because chicken korma is a sweet curry, we put in about a good heaped tablespoonful of sugar. Now we want to thicken that sauce up considerably, so we'll come back in about 3 minutes, leave it on about a medium heat, bubbling away, and it will naturally thick up. Okay, so about 3 minutes later it's thickened up nicely. Well, I've just fished out the 2 cloves. As I said, you don't want anybody biting down on them, so just fish them out. And the same obviously with the cinnamon. Now I don't think that you have to use these things just once. I use these 3 or 4 times. You just wash them in some cold water, put them in a pot and use them again. You can use them 3 or 4 times and extract the flavour from that. Okay, so our sauce is thickened up enough now, and this is where we add in the cream. Basically you just want about half a chef spoon or just a bit more of cream, depending on how creamy you like your chicken korma. And then finally, a good pinch of garam masala. I tend to find that the garam masala spices work really well, the aromatic spices like cloves, star anise, cinnamon, with the sweeter curries. So utilise them with your sweeter curries like korma. It's almost done. The sauce should be quite thick. It'll be a nice yellowy colour. As I say, you know, I'm always surprised how many people love this curry. I know we sort of tend to laugh about it, us serious curry enthusiasts, because it's always thought of as an entry-level curry. But it's delicious and it has its own sort of place there, doesn't it, on the BIR menu. So there you've got your chicken korma. Now, as a nice little finishing off chefy touch, if you really want to impress your guests, just swirl in a little bit of single cream like that, and that looks absolutely delicious. So follow us in the next video.